Dhoni this time, my goodness. Well, I don't know what I've seen a better one than that. That is just incredible. This is six nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni, have a look at it. It was pretty good. Just check out where it's gone, son.
Yeah, that's it, Kondiga. He does it amazingly well. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Sixes as well, and this one almost a replay of the four that he hit the previous over, except that he hit this one slightly better.
Off his feet. Tries it again. Sure, only one. There is only one.
All the wrist and that. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the...
Well, I'm not really sure about that horse.
Do not know how to describe that particular shot. It's only in the book of Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real.
Look at the bottom hand. And look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPC here. And he's cleared it quite easily. Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Peter trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.